Welcome back to part 4 of my new workshop build. Unfortunately, I had big problems with my camcorder after it fell over in the wind again, so there's a lot of parts missing as it somehow affected the autofocus. But hopefully there's enough footage to show continual progress. I think the biggest portion missing was fixing the OSB boards to the rafters. Anyway, on a previous tool unboxing video that I'd made, I mentioned about not getting the results I expected from the Evolution chop saw that I was sent. This was by all means not a negative. See, a few years back I bought a similar price saw to this and I ended up refunding it as it was terrible. It wouldn't even reach 45 degrees, even after adjustment by the shop. So when I received this Evolution saw, I wasn't expecting good things, to be honest, as it was a similar price saw to my previous one. However, I've been really impressed by it. The multi-blade cuts all sorts of materials, as you'll see in the video. It will cut metal, but I'm not comfortable trying that. I think another YouTuber, BeardX16, demos that in one of his videos, so if you want to see that, it might be worth taking a look there. Apart from one occasion where it poured down and I was forced to use my Boss chop saw in my workshop for the rafters, I pretty much built my entire new workshop with the Evolution saw. That's not bad for a sub £200 saw. Anyway, less chit chat, more work.